Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sam Fierro. So yeah, in today's video you are going to be learning how to install this beautiful e-commerce script to your domain. So I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to install it through your cPanel. So but before we go into the process of installation, I would like to take you through the website so you can see the professionality and the beauty and everything. So yeah, we have the categories, we have the women fashion, men fashion, and all that. We have the home, the shop, the campaign, the brand, blog, pages, contacts. We have compare, we have wish list, we have carts, we have login register, we have currency. So this is a professional website. Anything that you can, anything you need on an e-commerce store is actually here. As you can see, it's a beautiful one, everything glittering. Yeah, so yeah, this is the website. All these products on this website can be changed. Like everything on this everything on this store, everything on this e-commerce store can be modified. So yeah, have a look at this. It's very beautiful. A professional website. We have the fashion, we have the flash deals, we have the discount and everything. See the web themes and templates, beauty, personal, electronics, and yeah, everything is complete as a professional e-commerce store. We have the popular brand, and yeah, so let's go to the footer. As you can see, it's a full footer, a professional footer. We have the address, the phone, the email, the time, we have the social media, we have the useful link and everything. So this e-commerce store, and we also have the admin dashboard. So here is the admin dashboard. I've logged into the admin dashboard. So in this admin dashboard now, everything on that e-commerce store, you can modify it from here. Like you can modify everything from the order. As you can see, we have the total orders, we have the total product sales, we have the total earnings, we have everything. Like you are gonna, this is the place for the owner of the website. This is their dashboard. This is where all the metrics are stored. So we even have something like a chart, the monthly product sales report, monthly earning reports. We have the chart for you to be able to check out everything that you need to know about the store. So even in the admin dashboard, you are going to be seeing the recent orders, those people that bought recently, and yeah, and the other ID. Then you're going to be seeing the method which they used to pay for the goods they bought and the total amount of goods they bought. Everything you're going to be seeing from the admin dashboard. Not only that, you can manage the categories, the subcategories, you can manage products, you can manage orders, you can do pretty much everything from this admin dashboard, which make it even the admin dashboard is even beautiful. Like so as you can see, you can do pretty much everything from this admin dashboard. You can modify everything on this e-commerce store from that admin dashboard. So I'm going to be teaching you exactly how I got this installed on this domain. So what I'm going to be doing now is clearing everything and restarting again so that you can see exactly how to install the script to the domain. So here's my cPanel. This is the domain I installed it. I installed it to ferracard.com. So this is the content of the domain. This is what makes this site beautiful like this. This is what we see, and this is everything. So I'm gonna be clearing it off now, so we start again. All right. So delete. I'm gonna be deleting everything. Confirm. Yeah, so this directory is empty. So if I refresh this page now, you won't see anything again. Everything will be gone. Alright, so see what we have there. The directory is now empty, and the same thing as the admin dashboard. If I refresh it, you'll see 404. So let's start again. Let's start again now. So as you all know, this is cPanel, and you already know how to get your way to this place, I guess. So what you do is to click on the domain that you want to add it. I'm adding it to my own subdomain, but if you be adding it to domain, of course you click the domain and make sure maybe the directory is empty, or just click on the domain, and then as my own directory is empty. So what I want to do is upload the zip file of the script, the source code. That's what I want to upload now. So I clicked upload and then click select file. So I have the file here in my I have the file here in my folder. So here is the script that I'll be installing, and this is the script that will be available for you if you need it. So I click it and I click open. So clicking open, it will start to load up. So we're gonna give it a little time. Of course, it is moving fast, so it's gonna load up very soon. All right, we're almost done, and yes, we're done. So it has been successfully installed now. So what we will do is to go back, and then we have the script here. So what we want to do now is to extract this file. So you click it and right click. After right clicking, you click extract, and then you click extract files, and the files will be extracted. So it has been extracted. So you click close. Now that the file has been extracted, you don't need this zip folder anymore, so you can delete it if you wish. Of course you want to delete it, so I delete mine. Confirm. So this installable is where we have everything about the e-commerce store. So you click it, and what you want to do now is all these files, now you want to bring them to the forefront. You don't want them to be inside a folder. All these folder and files, you bring them to the forefront. So what I'm doing is to highlight everything and right click, then move them outside. So instead of field.ferraka.com/installable, I'm gonna be removing the installable so that they will be at the front. So move folder. Alright, so if you now go to ferraka.com, instead of the two stuff you saw there the other time, which is installable and the other one, everything is now outside. So now that everything is outside, you don't need this installable anymore, alright, because you have moved everything that is inside. So you want to clean it up to have a more clearer view. So you click the installable and remove it, delete it, delete. Alright, so now that you have these things installed on your websites, now there will be a different view on field.ferraka.com because I have added some things to it. So let's reload. I'm reloading now. So as you can see, this is the installer, OmniMat installer. So what we are going to be doing is to click check requirements. We want to install it from the front end now. That's what we want to do. So check requirements. Okay, so we click check permissions. So we have gotten to this page. So what's this page literally mean is that we are going to be changing the permission. All the permissions here are 77, maybe 644 or something. So we are going to be changing them to 775 before we can continue on this page. If we don't change them, we won't be able to move on. So we go to storage, then we go to log and change the permission as well. So we go to storage, we click storage, and this is log. We are going to be changing the permission to 775 as well. So yeah, 775, change permission. Then the next one is bootstrap / cake. We are changing it to 775 as well. Bootstrap. So where can we get bootstrap? Okay, here is bootstrap. So we click it, and then it takes us to cake. Then we are changing the permission for this cake to 775 as well. Change permission 775 and click change permission. All right, so we still have other ones to do, which is we have assets / images. Assets / images, that's the permission we are changing next. Assets / images. Assets / images. So go back. Okay, here is asset here. Okay, let me go back to the so here is asset. You click asset, and then you go to images and you change the permission to 775. 775, and then click change permission. So let me reload this page. You see that some are already green. The one that we have done, they are now green. As you can see. So we still have 4 that we haven't done yet. So we go to asset / sitemaps. The next one is asset sitemaps. This is sitemaps under asset. So you click it, change permission. Okay, 775. Change permission. So the next one is asset / files. So files, we have files here. So you click it and you click change permission. This and click change permission. Alright. So the next one is resources / lang. Resources / lang. So what we want to do is to go back and go check for resources. So let's check our core. Maybe it's under. Okay, this is resources here. You click resources, and this is lang here. You click the lang and change the permission as well. Change permission. So for the first one, we weren't able to change this, which is storage / framework. So we are going to be doing that now. Storage / framework. Yes, okay. This storage / framework. Okay, this is it. We are changing the permission to 775. Here is it, 775. Change permission. So now that we have changed the permission of everything, we can reload the page. You see that a button will pop up for us to continue. Without that, we won't be able to continue. So yeah, verify license. This is the button that pops up. Everything is now green. So we move on to verify license. So here, what you will be typing here is vivid code gmail.com. That is the license email. Then the license username will be vivid once you verify. Then the purchase code will be 234567890. Alright, so in this, when you get to this point, this is what you are going to be inputting, and then you click verify. Alright, so verified successfully. So now that the verification has been successful, what we want to do is give our app a name. In my own case, I'm going to be calling it Sam Fierro Ecom Store. You can call it anything you like, but I'm going to be calling mine Sam Fierro Ecom Store. And then app URL. Then the URL is fierro.com. Of course, this is the URL. Then the database host is gonna be the local host. We're gonna call it local host. All right. The database name now, we need a database for this. So what we are going to be doing is to go back to our cPanel and create a database. The database can be easily created, so it's not something hard. What you have to do is to go to your SQL. I want to restart it so that you can see. Okay, when you get to your cPanel dashboard like this, just click find function and write SQL. So what we are going to be clicking is MySql database. MySql database. Okay, so you will be able to create a new database when you get to this point. So as you can see, create new database. What you want to do is just to give your database a name. In my own case, I've created my database already. I gave it the name Sam Fierro. I gave it this name. Just give it a name and then click create database. Okay, let me just create another database. Sam Fierro 1. Okay, let me add 1 to it. Click create database. Okay, it has been successfully created. So we go back. So for the database name, let's go and change it. Sam Fierro 1. Okay, so now we need the username and database password. So what you are going to do is to scroll down. So here, this is the place that you are going to be adding username and password. So for the username, I'm still going to be using Sam Fierro 1. So for the username, I use Sam Fierro 1, and for the password, I'm going to be using so that's I've written my password, and I'm going to put the password again here. This is the password that you are going to be using to log in at the home page. So just input what you can remember, and then for the username, input also what you can remember. Then click create user. Here is create user here. So that's how simple it is to create a database. Okay, so it is creating, and then yeah, we have successfully created MySql user this. So go back. You can go back now. Yeah, so we have created a database and we have created a user for it. So what we want to do is to connect the database to the user. So this is where we created user. So you just scroll down a little bit, you see add user to database. So what you're basically gonna be doing here is, this is the database I created recently, Sam Fierro 1. Hope you can see that. Sam Fierro 1. Then you choose the database that you want to connect the user with. So the user is Sam Fierro 1, the database is also Sam Fierro 1, the one that I created recently. Then click add. Yeah, so it has been added successfully. So what you want to click is all privileges. What this means is that this new database and the user that you created, the user will have access to do all these things with in the database. The user can alter, the user can create, can delete, and do all that stuff. So you click all privileges and click make changes. So success, as you can see, success, you have saved this privilege in the database. So yeah, we have successfully created a database. That's what we are going to be using to continue our installation process. So you want to scroll down. This is the new database that I created. So you're just going to click it. what I want to do is to copy it. So go back, database name, I've pasted it. This is the database name. The username is Samfiero1, and the database password that I used is let me type it. Okay, so that's been out of the way. You click install. Oh, I got an error. What's the matter? So inputting everything now, I'm just gonna click install, and then installation finished. As you can see, installation finished. Then what we want to do is just to exit this page, and then everything will load up very soon. Yeah, so we have our script, our source code, our e-commerce source code. We have it installed. We have it on our website now, and that is simply exactly how to go about it. As you can see, we are back to the view that we have in the beginning of the video. So if you want to log in dashboard, here is the admin dashboard. If you want to log into the admin dashboard, I'm going to be creating a new tab now. What you're going to be using is the URL, URL where you uploaded the e-commerce script. You are just gonna be putting the URL /admin. In my own case, it is fieroyoferaka.com/admin. Then click continue. Alright, so it will take you to the admin dashboard where the default admin login is admin@gmail.com. And then the password is the word password, so PASSW. So you click sign in, and then you are logged into the beautiful dashboard of the admin. So that is it for this video. I hope this video is helpful. So if you would like to get the script, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link will be in the description below, so you can check it out and send me a message through the link. I'd also drop the number in case you don't want to use the link. You can use the number. The script is very affordable, so it is something you'll be able to afford. So yeah, that's it about this video. If you find this helpful, please click the subscribe button, kindly like this video, kindly share with your friends. I put a lot of effort into putting this video together, so don't let it flop. Kindly subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and turn on the notification icon so that when next I drop video, you'll be among the first people that will be notified that I dropped a new video. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.